Hey guys, eCom Tom here, coming back at you with another video. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit about the program that I use to find all the items for my eBay dropshipping business. And it's a very easy way to go about sourcing items in order to find a good dropshipper and source items easily for your business. So a lot of beginners that I see that I've been coaching for a while they all tend to think that it's really hard to find items, or they need to find the perfect item, or they need to just find the best drop shipper with the most magical margins that you've ever seen and the best items that have all sold 1,000 times in the last month. And quite frankly, that's just not how it works. It's very easy to find drop shippers, but not everybody's gonna have the best margins. Not everybody, you just gotta do your own thing. So I'm gonna show you a very easy way to go about how I go about, or taught my virtual assistants to go about sourcing items and finding drop shippers. And I think you'll find that it's a lot easier than you think it is, and you just need to go out there and do it. And then differentiate yourself from the crowd, i.e. change your titles, change whatever. Some people do edited pictures and stuff like that. I don't do that. But you can do whatever you want. This is your business, and that's what makes it awesome. So if you like this video, so please subscribe. Please just follow the channel, comment, leave your feedback, anything. I love to hear it, and I'm going to be releasing a lot more videos in the near future. So without further ado, I'll get on with it. So I use Zik Analytics, and Zik Analytics is basically a program where you can either look up a competitor, a category, or a product, different types of research. I don't touch category research, and I don't touch product research at all. There's a lot of in-depth tutorials on the website about it, and in my opinion, I think they go too far in depth on it, and it leaves a lot of beginners just all flustered as to what to do and where to go and basically what actions they should take. And that's why I like to simplify it and basically just give some very straightforward rules that I'll be explaining from here. So in order to find a good drop shipper to steal an item from, or snipe an item from, as they call it, sniping, basically, you need to find items that are being drop shipped on eBay from Amazon. And the easiest way to do that is to start with an Amazon item. It doesn't matter what item at all. Almost every item I've ever tried has been drop shipped on Amazon, and it doesn't matter if it's a good item or not. So I did this beforehand, but just to make sure everything goes smoothly in this video. But this was actually my first attempt at doing it. So I always type in frying pan, and then I just pick a different type of frying pan every time. So I had never seen this one before, this hard anodized aluminum. And so I decided to choose that. And the main reason why this works is a lot of people that drop ship from Amazon onto eBay do not change the title whatsoever of the Amazon item. They'll literally put it up onto eBay with the same exact title that it has on Amazon. So in order to exploit that fact of laziness that a lot of people have, that I in fact do not do, but all you have to do is copy a part of the title, and you're just going to go onto eBay with it. It's literally this easy. You're going to go onto eBay. You're literally just going to paste part of this title into eBay, and it doesn't matter how much of the title, because of the fact that eBay will cut off after 80 characters anyways. So basically right here, we already found the item, and this is starting to look like the way new eBay is going to be set up after the buy box change or whatever. But you can click right here. It says 21 new and refurbished. So this is $56 on Amazon. It's $50. I'm not going to go through if they're making money or not, or what tactics they're using to make their money. Obviously they're going to be trying to make money, considering the fact that they are in fact in this as a business. So literally right off the bat, we got Lit Shop. Copy his name. Go into Zik Analytics. Go to competitor research, and just paste in Lit Shop. It doesn't matter if this item is good or if he's ever sold this item on eBay. I don't know if they have or if they haven't sold this item on eBay. And I know that there's a ton of other people selling this item. So if I wanted to, I can click on See All 21, and I'll open that in a new tab. And it's going to show you every single person. So I'm guessing this is Lit Shop right here. No, it's Mariana Shop, different person. So we'll look at Lit Shop, and then we'll go on to Mariana Shop. So Lit Shop is from Thailand. It doesn't matter where they're from. It's just based off of, some people from other countries are going to price their items higher because of their just PayPal fees and other types of fees. So from there, as you can tell, I don't give two shits about his frying pan that we found. he probably has never sold it. But what we did find was a bunch of items that have sold in the last 30 days, 33 times, 30 times, 14, 13, 11. These are all good items to take. I'm not going to check if he's making profit or what's going on. These are all good items to take. A rule of thumb that a lot of people go by is 10 items in the last 30 days or 10 sales in the last 30 days. I go by 5 when I'm with my virtual assistants. I've heard of people going by 3 in the last 30 days, 1 in the last 7. You can do whatever you want. But the rule of thumb that a lot of people say is 10 in the last 30 days. So by that rule of thumb, you found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items that you can, in fact, take from him. How do you know he's drop shipping them from Amazon? It's pretty easy to tell. You can literally just click on the title. It's going to show you the eBay item. And considering the fact that he didn't change the title for that pan, I'm doubting he changed the title for this. So if you just copy this or highlight this, right click and click search in Google, the number one thing that pops up is the Amazon link, and you found the same exact item for $50. He's selling for $56.07, and it sold 33 times in the last month. So say he's making $1 or so on that item. I mean, he's making some money on that. He's making money on this. He's making money on that. It all adds up. He's done $78,000 in sales in the last 30 days. I mean, he's doing pretty decent. So you can steal all of these items and just do the same exact repeating thing from there. And so that's Lit Shop. Sorry, Lit Shop. Yeah, I mean, you're going to be on YouTube. Go easy on him, guys. Don't steal all his items. But I'm not liable if you do. Well, copy this person, Mariana Shop. We'll go into Zik. So one thing is, so right off the bat, we did actually, in fact, find some pretty good sellers, which I'm not going to go and try to find any bad ones because we found good ones. If we found bad ones off the bat, I would have put a little bit more effort into it. But the general rule that I go by is as long as they have over around 300 feedback, I'll take items from them because, I mean, if it's below that, they probably don't know what they're doing, and they probably won't have a lot of items that have sold more than 10 times in the last 30 days or 5 times in the last 30 days. So that's basically what I go by. So 300 up until whatever you want your cutoff to be. So Mariana Shop is also from Thailand, and they have an item that sold 73.51. Like they're selling up a storm over here with 104,000. So if we want to find it again, I mean, we're just going to highlight that, search in Google, and we already found it. I mean, it's that easy. You already found an item. Go put it into your listing tool, whatever you use. I'll be going over that in further videos. If searching the title doesn't work, you can go down into the features or the description and go do something like that. I bet you'll find it from here. Yep, from Amazon. That was UK, but right here is US. Same exact item. So, I mean, it's sort of that easy. We can try to find someone that's not from Thailand or something. If you guys want someone from the US or something, just literally go through and just open link in a new tab, open link in a new tab, open link in a new tab. Then you're just going to open them up, and then you're just going to check their name. Silver Sun 77, put them in. Best Buy, whatever that is, put them in. Lenron, put them in. Well, it's all high-selling people. I don't know how I've managed to do that. But that's basically all you have to do. And it's that easy to find people to steal items from or snipe items from. It's really just that easy, and you can't put too much thought into it because if you try to sit there and say, oh, well, I want this item because it's 73 sales, but I'm only making a 50-cent profit, and I need to make $1 profit on every item or whatever, then, I mean, you're missing out on just money, like just amounts of money. And you're like, oh, well, I can't beat his price, so I'm going to move on. It doesn't matter. No, the lowest priced item doesn't always sell the best, and there's more than one item that gets sold in multiple different, by multiple different people. I mean, I'm sure this item has quite the competition because it's a low priced item and it seems to be selling a lot. I'm sure there's 200 other people selling the same exact item, but you just need to make sure that you can get a piece of the pie. And as long as you're getting a piece of pie on a large amount of items like this person has that are all sold over 10 times in the last month, I mean, you're still doing well for yourself. So don't always try to be the best or the greatest or try to match everyone's price or get lower than their price or whatever. Just go out there and just start listing items. And I can guarantee you that you'll start selling as long as your price is somewhere in the ballpark. I mean, if you're 10% higher than everybody else, then you're not in the ballpark. But as long as you're in the ballpark and you can find items that have proven sales history, it's going to be, you're going to get some sales. And there's only improvement from there, but you need to get started somewhere. And that's basically what I suggest. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. Please check out my Facebook group, Dropshipping University. We're up to over 400 members now. We've gotten over 200 in the last couple of days. It's growing pretty big, pretty fast. Check out my other videos. If you want, subscribe, please, and leave comments below on what you think or what you guys do for research. We can compare on what we do, our different strategies. And if you like this strategy, if you do not like the strategy, there is other ways that I go about sourcing and other things that I do. So I will show that in later videos. But this is the very beginner basic steps and building blocks that you need to get down first in order to be able to do the more advanced, just other ways and methods that people go about it. So if you did like this video, please subscribe and please leave me a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.